Hello and welcome to our course on the importance and power of scaffolding. I'm Bradley Bush.
I'm Rachel Ball.
And I'm Alex Fairlamb. Scaffolding has been defined as the support or assistance that means the student is able to do a task, which they would have struggled with on their own.
However, this support is temporary. When students become more proficient in their learning, the support we give them is gradually removed.
This course explores what great scaffolding looks like, along with the traps to avoid along the way. We are going to cover the latest and the greatest research around scaffolding, as well as giving you time to reflect on how to apply it in your context.
We really hope you enjoy it.